Whirlpool Corporation's family of appliances are known for their quality, durability, and innovation. They are built for years of reliable performance in your home. Our brand family includes Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, Amana, and JennAir. In the rare event that you need to replace a part, only OEM parts are recommended by our brands. Specifically designed for the best performance in your appliances, they are the only genuine factory-certified replacement parts. Non-genuine aftermarket parts are readily available online, often for a lower cost, and can sometimes be disguised as genuine parts. Non-genuine aftermarket parts have not been tested to our standard for design or durability. Genuine OEM W parts and W accessories meet tested Whirlpool Corporation engineering standards and are crafted to help enable the longevity of your appliance. Genuine W parts and W accessories are designed to fit perfectly and meet the exacting standards as the originals in your machine when it left the factory. They are available to service technicians and directly to consumers online. Trusted for over 100 years, Whirlpool genuine OEM parts and accessories are engineered to function flawlessly and ensure optimal performance of your appliance.